Have you ever faced an unexpected machine breakdown that stopped production and caused delays? In a manufacturing factory, preventing problems is always better than fixing them later. That's why preventive maintenance is so important. In today's lesson, you'll follow Nam and Mai as they plan preventive maintenance tasks for factory equipment. You'll learn useful technical English used in real workplace conversations, including how to discuss inspections, bearings, lubrication, downtime, sensors, and safety procedures. Let's join their discussion and improve your factory English skills while learning how to keep machines running smoothly.
Good morning, Mai. Do you have a few minutes to discuss the preventive maintenance plan for next week?
Good morning, Nam. Yes, I do. I was just reviewing the maintenance schedule.
Great. We need to finalize the preventive maintenance activities before Friday.
I agree. Have you checked the latest inspection reports?
Yes, the reports show that machine A needs a detailed inspection.
I saw that too. There was also a note about unusual vibration.
Exactly. The technician recommended checking the bearing condition.
How old are those bearings?
They were replaced about 18 months ago.
Then it is a good time to inspect them carefully.
I think so too. We should also check the lubrication system.
Has there been any issue with lubrication recently?
Not yet, but the oil consumption has increased slightly.
That could indicate wear somewhere in the system.
Yes, I want to prevent an unexpected breakdown.
A breakdown would affect production significantly.
Especially because Machine A is part of the main production line.
What about Machine B?
Machine B requires a filter replacement.
Is that listed in the maintenance checklist?
Yes, the checklist includes replacing the air filter.
Good. We should follow the checklist closely.
Agreed. It helps ensure nothing is missed.
How much downtime will be required?
For Machine A, approximately 4 hours of downtime.
That's manageable if we schedule it on Saturday.
I was thinking the same thing.
Will production be running on Saturday?
Only a small shift in the morning.
Then maintenance can start after the shift ends.
Good suggestion.
Have you spoken with the production supervisor?
Not yet. I want to confirm the plan first.
We should coordinate with him to avoid conflicts.
Absolutely. Communication is important.
What tasks are included for Machine A?
First, a complete inspection of mechanical components.
Okay.
Second, checking the bearing temperature and condition.
Makes sense.
Third, cleaning the cooling fan.
That fan collects a lot of dust.
Exactly. Dust can reduce efficiency.
Any electrical work required?
Yes, the team will inspect the sensor connections.
Have there been any sensor alarms recently?
A few false alarms last week.
Then the wiring should be checked carefully.
I agree.
What about calibration?
Good point. The temperature sensor needs calibration.
When was the last calibration completed?
About 6 months ago.
Then it is due according to our standard procedure.
I'll add it to the work order.
Perfect.
We should also inspect the drive motor.
Any signs of overheating?
No overheating, but there is some unusual noise.
The noise could be related to the bearing issue.
That's possible.
Do we have spare bearings in stock?
Let me check the inventory record.
If not, we should order them now.
You're right.
Delivery delays could cause problems.
I just checked. We have 4 spare bearings available.
Excellent. That should be enough.
Next, let's discuss Machine C.
Okay. What is its maintenance status?
The machine is operating normally.
That's good news.
However, the hydraulic system requires inspection.
Is there any oil leakage?
A small amount was observed near a valve.
Then the seal condition should be checked.
Yes, a damaged seal can lead to larger leaks.
And leaks can create safety risks.
Exactly.
Should we replace the seal immediately?
Not necessarily. We should inspect it first.
Fair enough.
If wear is detected, replacement will be scheduled.
That sounds reasonable.
We also need to verify system pressure.
Is pressure monitoring included in the procedure?
Yes, it is part of the maintenance standard.
Good.
Another item is conveyor maintenance.
The packaging conveyor?
Yes, the conveyor belt needs adjustment.
Is the belt misaligned?
Slightly. Operators reported tracking issues.
Then adjustment is necessary.
Otherwise, belt wear will increase.
And replacement costs will rise.
Exactly.
How long will the conveyor maintenance take?
Around 2 hours.
That's acceptable.
We should assign experienced technicians.
I agree.
Do we have enough manpower?
Let me see the staffing schedule.
Sure.
We have 6 technicians available on Saturday.
That should be sufficient.
How many technicians do you need?
4 for mechanical tasks and 2 for electrical tasks.
Perfect match.
Great.
Have all required tools been prepared?
Most of them.
Which items are missing?
We need a vibration analyzer.
I'll check the tool room.
Thank you.
The vibration analyzer should be available.
That will help identify potential failures.
Prevention is always better than repair.
Definitely.
What about safety requirements?
All technicians must follow the lockout-out procedure.
That's very important.
The equipment must be isolated before maintenance starts.
We cannot compromise on safety.
Absolutely.
Will there be a safety briefing?
Yes, before the work begins.
Good.
We will review hazards and responsibilities.
That helps reduce risk.
Exactly.
Do we need any external contractors?
No, our internal team can handle the tasks.
That's convenient.
It also reduces maintenance costs.
True.
After maintenance, we need a performance test.
To verify that all equipment operates correctly?
Yes,
Will the performance test results be documented?
of course. Proper documentation is required.
Good practice.
Then we'll update the maintenance records.
Everything seems well organized.
Thanks for your input, Mai.
You're welcome, Nam.
Let's proceed with the plan and inform the production team.
Agreed. I'll start sending the notifications today.
Great job completing today's lesson. In this conversation, you learned how Nam and Mai planned preventative maintenance tasks in a manufacturing factory. You practiced useful workplace English for discussing inspections, bearings, lubrication, sensors, downtime, maintenance schedules, and safety procedures. Remember, effective communication is an important part of successful maintenance and smooth production operations. Take a few minutes to review the key vocabulary and try using these expressions in your own workplace conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next factory English lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.